Welcome to the Crystal Earth Podcast. I'm Nic Scogna, and today we're talking about dinosaurs. We're going to be taking a closer look at a new study that connects dinosaurs to climate science. Researchers have been analyzing fossilized teeth, and those teeth are telling us something important about the atmosphere millions of years ago. What they've uncovered gives us a clearer picture of carbon dioxide levels during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods, and how those conditions shaped life on Earth. Let's walk through what the science is showing us. Tooth enamel is one of the hardest substances produced by animals. It survives long after other tissues have broken down, and within that enamel are chemical markers that can be measured even after millions of years. By studying the oxygen isotopes in dinosaur enamel, scientists are able to estimate the amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere at the time. In a way, each tooth becomes a tiny archive of environmental history, preserved since the age of the dinosaurs. The Jurassic period lasted from about 200 to 145 million years ago. According to the new study, CO₂ levels then were around 1,200 parts per million. For context, before the Industrial Revolution, in our modern times, Earth's atmosphere held about 280 parts per million. Today, we're just above 420. So Jurassic levels were about 4 times higher than pre-industrial, and nearly 3 times higher than today. These high levels of carbon dioxide supported a very different kind of Earth. Dense forests, giant ferns, and expansive plant life thrived. That vegetation provided the food base for the massive plant-eating dinosaurs that dominated the landscape. Moving forward into the Cretaceous period, which ran from 145 to 66 million years ago, carbon dioxide levels dropped to around 750 parts per million. That's still higher than today, but a significant decrease from the Jurassic. This change in the atmosphere seems to align with shifts in ecosystems, and Cretaceous saw the rise of flowering plants, which eventually transformed landscapes and food sources. Dinosaurs adapted alongside those changes, but the chemistry of the air tells us the planet was evolving as well. Now, understanding these ancient atmospheres is about more than looking back. It also helps us think about the present. Knowing that Earth has supported much higher CO₂ levels in the past shows us the range of climates the planet can experience. But we need to be careful about the comparison. Dinosaurs didn't live in a world of agriculture, coastlines full of cities, or billions of people depending on stable conditions. What their teeth give us is a perspective. A reminder of how greenhouse gases shape life on Earth, both then and now. The research also demonstrates the power of fossils as scientific tools. These teeth are not just remnants of ancient animals, they're direct evidence of the air that once surrounded them. And as you know, or may know, I deal in a large quantity of amber as specimens, amber in jewelry. We have in the amber this window into the past for the insects that lived at the time, and all different kinds of creatures that maybe have gotten trapped in that amber. This also informs us of how life was and how the evolution of insects has evolved in time as well. So taken together, the findings point to an Earth that was much warmer and more dynamic than today. Jurassic CO₂ levels were about 1,200 parts per million. Cretaceous levels were about 750 parts per million. Both are significantly higher than modern levels. This helps us place our current atmosphere in a larger timeline. We're not just looking at numbers, we're looking at the way Earth's systems have shifted over millions of years. Each fossil, each tooth, adds another piece to that story. Well, that's all for today's episode of the Crystal Earth Podcast. Dinosaur teeth are giving us a clearer view of Earth's climate past, and in doing so, they connect us more deeply to the challenges we face today. If you'd like more episodes that connect gems, minerals, fossils, and cosmic discoveries to the bigger picture of Earth's story, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for listening. I'm Nic Scogna, and I'll see you next time.